Hey you. Yeah, you. Do you love doTERRA? Can I tell you a secret? I have a way that you can get free doTERRA. I know, it's amazing. It's called the Loyalty Rewards Program, and it is incredible. So if you want to hang out with me for just a couple minutes, I will tell you all about it. doTERRA's Loyalty Rewards Program works kind of like a monthly subscription box. It is completely customizable and it is completely free to join. You can join at any time, you can cancel at any time. But once you join, I promise you're not going to want to cancel because it is that good. It is a fantastic way to get tons of free product. The rewards program is available to wholesale customers. If you do not have a doTERRA wholesale membership yet, then you can get a free membership by shopping through some of their really popular starter bundles that come with the free membership. But once you have the membership, you have the option of joining the rewards program. And everyone starts at getting 10% back off of their purchases. So when you have the wholesale membership, you're already getting 25% off of retail. With the rewards program, you're going to get an additional % off of all of your purchases back in rewards points. You start at 10% and you work your way up to 30% back. So any orders that you place that are 50 PV or more, you are getting points back. If your order happens to be 100 PV or more, you are also qualifying for free shipping. And if it is 125 PV or more, then you also have the ability to qualify for the free product of the month. Okay, so you can get a ton of free product through the Loyalty Rewards program, but how do you do that without adding a huge expense to your monthly budget? Well, because you're watching this video, I'm going to share with you my secret strategy, and I like to call it Swap the Shop. So come check out some of my favorite products to do this with. Example, my supplements. I'm getting a much better quality. They're having a much more significant impact on my health. And I get rewards points for them. It's a no-brainer. If you have kids, my kids absolutely love the children's supplements and probiotic sticks. And some more of our favorites are in the nutritionals line. The protein powder, the greens, the fiber. We're obsessed with all of them. Excuse me. I was just brushing my teeth, getting ready for bed. I absolutely love the doTERRA On Guard toothpaste. It is my favorite toothpaste ever. I equally love the On Guard mouthwash, but that's not it. doTERRA also has shampoo and conditioner and lotion and deodorant and some incredible skincare lines, all of which we love. And best part, they are free of all the toxins that so many personal care products are filled with, so they are better and safer for our family. What do you use when it's time to clean? Here are some favorites. So by taking some of these products that you are already purchasing and simply swapping them over to purchase them from doTERRA, you are able to not only utilize your wholesale discount, but also get points back on all of your purchases, which ends up giving you a really amazing deal on your products. And honestly, you're probably getting products that are much safer for your health. And then by saving up your points, you get shopping sprees to get other fun products that you are wanting. So my approach for how to use the rewards program is I typically use my monthly rewards order to get our household products, our personal care products, those other things that we've already budgeted for and we need on a regular basis. And my supplements, right? That's a huge one. And then I take advantage of doTERRA's BOGO box specials, which those happen a few times a year, and it's just what it sounds like. BOGO box, you get buy one, get one free oils. It's an incredible deal. So that is when I stock up on my oils, and then I get everything else through a monthly order. I save up my points for a few months, and then I go shopping and I use my points and get lots of free stuff. So it's an incredible, incredible opportunity.
Here's an overview of the program in case you are a visual learner. I will also link to a graphic below that you can download and save. You will also find below a video that walks you through exactly how to set up your first LRP order.